In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Shure MV7 to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your Shure MV7 and connect it to any compatible iPhone model. So to connect your Shure MV7 to your iPhone, you will need a special cable that supports USB on-the-go or OTG functionality. So purchase the compatible cable. Usually it is going to be a Lightning to micro USB OTG cable. Essentially, you just need to make sure that you can connect both the microphone to the iPhone model that you have. So make sure that the ports match. Usually it is going to be Lightning to micro USB, but depending on what you have, it could also be USB-C. So just purchase the corresponding cable for your iPhone model and the MV7 to be recognized. Now plug one end of the Lightning to micro USB OTG cable into your iPhone's Lightning port or USB-C if your iPhone model features that, and then plug the other end into the MV7's port. Once you have one end of the cable connected into the iPhone and another one into the MV7, you will be able to launch your preferred recording application on your iPhone, such as voice memos, GarageBand, or a third-party app, and choose the MV7 as the input source. So when you go over to the settings, and you choose the audio input options, you will be able to find the MV7, and then you can start using it to record your own audio. While the MV7 is compatible with iOS devices, it is important to check for any specific compatibility issues or updates required for your iPhone model and iOS version. If it doesn't work right away, you can try updating the software to make sure that it gets detected. Ensure that the recording application that you are using supports external microphones and can recognize the MV7. If it doesn't appear right away, you can try using a different cable to make sure that the problem is not the cable itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect your MV7 to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.